2023 is nearly done, and does your kitchen still look like this? When thousands of people look like this. Ditch the old this year with Delicious Smart Jar, which automates chopping and stirring and cooks everything with a tap. Delicious is the cooking assistant. Integrated with artificial intelligence, it makes cooking a walk in the park. Psst, you can literally go for a walk in the park while it makes pasta for you. Delicious Smart Jar can cook for 4 people at once. It heats, chops, stirs, blends, kneads, and even steams. So you can eat delicious biryanis, momo, pasta, and more every day. The Smart Jar comes with an omni blade which stirs and can cut veggies in 12 different ways. You control all that cooking on the 8-inch touchscreen. And all those many recipes we showed you, even you could make them. Follow the instructions, add ingredients to the jar, and done. The Delicious does everything, so you don't have to. Check out our recipe videos and get a taste of all the great food you could be making. In 2024, bring a Delicious home.